Hey, what's going on? This is Morning Gardener. I hope you can see me here. I'm sitting out here in the car. It is what is it, like about 30 some degrees, about 37 degrees or something. And I just I came from the store, which is Lowe's. I purchased an item here, which is this item here. And you may ask yourself, what the heck does this have to do with gardening? What could this possibly have to do with gardening? It's a straining a net that fits over a bucket, or you could put something in it and strain. It's a 2-pack. It's 5-gallon bucket. Here's what I'm going to do with it, folks. I'm going to through the winter. I got a big 40 some gallon trash can or receptacle, and I'm going to open it. I'm going to fill it up with compost in these bags, and one with manure, and I'm going to set it down in the bag. Set it down in the can. And as it rains and snows and everything in that bucket, I'll save water in the summer by not having to put it in my water drums. I'll just have it, whatever fell during the winter in there, and it'll sit there with these bags in it, and it'll be just a wonderful thing. And then when it melts, bada boom, bada bang, I got free water and I got free compost. Tea, that is Texas tea. No, let me stop. But folks, this is all I'm doing out here. I'm trying to get make some fertilizer up before the spring comes in and the summer comes in. And I know that, what all I've been talking about is that tea is the best possible thing to use on your garden, whether it be horse manure tea or cow manure tea or rabbit manure tea, or whether it be cow manure tea or compost tea. Tea is the best thing to use. It's quick. It goes right to the plants. It's good for you can do it every 2 weeks. Don't have to worry about over fertilizing them and all that sort of thing. So keep that in mind. Fertilizer tea is the best thing to do, and that's the way to do it. And remember, the Morning Gardener told you that. All right, take care now. Let's see what we got here.